Today is one very special day for the tonner, and I cannot wait to show you the wheels that we are putting on this car. I'm the only person to have the wheels that I'm going to be getting. They are pre-production wheels, and they only just arrived on a shipping container last week. So these are brand new. No one else has them, and I'm going to be the first person to have them on a car, and that is a massive honor to be the first person to have them, and I'm so stoked to be a part of this launch. So let's get straight into it. We're gonna go get it to Canterbury Wheels and Tires to go get the wheels put on, because I want the reveal to be with them on the car. So we're getting the trailer all set up. We're gonna get the car there today. Now, the car looks very different from when you guys would have last seen it. Now, in the last episode, we're doing some sanding to start getting all the lines ready with the splines. We recently got the inside of the cab all painted up in satin black, and it just came out absolutely mint. So happy with how it turned out. It looks basically factory, it looks mint. So really stoked with that. And then we have been smashing out all the sanding, and we are currently in high fill primer. So we did the poly primer, sanded that back, and then we did it with the 80, 120, and then 240, and then we hit it with the high fill. So we're currently in high fill stage, and the next step will be sanding this back and refining our sanding to then get it in paint. So that is another big episode to come. We'll see you guys at Canterbury. We have made it to Canterbury Wheels and Tires. These guys are gonna help me get some wheels on the tonner, and we've sorted out some special wheels for this car. These guys have got a massive range of wheels. They've got everything. They've got muscle cars, they've got your HSV rims, everything that you could put on a car, they've got. So definitely come down here if you guys need some rims and tires. I've decided to get the wheels before I finish the car, because I need to get everything set up when we build the tray, because I'll be building the tray around the wheels, and if I don't have the wheels correct sizing and all that, it won't fit exactly how I want it. So these guys do advise you to get your wheels and tires before you finish your build, because you don't want to be changing things once it's all painted and looking nice. So it's a good idea to get everything test fitted and get the wheels before the car is finished. The car is in the shop. Let's get the wheels unboxed, balanced up, and put the tires on. Let's whip them on this thing. I'm here with Brett from Canterbury, and you have a fair bit to do with these wheels, don't you?
I do. I created CTM Muscle, and this is our new GTS Sprint 2.0 version. Got a super big deep dish, nearly 125mm of lip. The machining and everything is a little bit nicer than the old style one. Improved center caps as well. So basically it's just an improvement of it all, and it's going to be great to put them on Tate's car.
I'm pretty stoked, and I do want to say a massive thank you for helping me out get these wheels, because it's pretty special to be the first person to have these wheels. So.
Yeah, awesome.
Oh, thank you very I've waited a long time for this. We are now out with the old bog stockers and in with the new. Absolutely wrapped. Big thank you to Luke and Brett for making this happen. Big thank you to them. but we're running a 215/15 on the front with a big 295. Have a look at this. Big deep dish on the rear. Exactly what we want for that tough muscle car stance. And the best thing about the tonner is that when you're looking at it from the rear, you can see the big chunky tread on it. So, pretty stoked. I could not be more happy, to be honest. I'm wrapped. While the tonner was parked out the front, there were a few people that were driving past that recognized the car, and they stopped by and we had a bit of a chat about the car. It was pretty cool to meet you guys, and it's always cool meeting fans that watch you on YouTube. But yeah, if any of you see me in public, feel free to come and say hi. But yeah, great day all around. Wheels are awesome. And that wraps us up for getting the wheels. They look unreal, absolutely love them, but they're so big on the rear, can't even get it on the trailer. So back to the stockies. That is the difference between the stock and the new rear wheels. That is crazy. So we've just gotten back and we're ready to drop off the car, but I want to say a massive thank you to the boys down at Canterbury. They were very helpful, and I'm just so happy with the wheels. They're unreal. But big thank you to Luke and Brett. If you guys ever need wheels, go down there. They've got all sorts of wheels, everything from your normal SUVs all the way to your muscle cars. Big thanks to Jack and Dad for giving us a hand today. They've been doing well. Jack's been a great help, just like always, aren't you? Now, I went in to go get the tonner all checked up, make sure everything fit before I went in today to get the wheels on for good, just to see for clearance issues or anything like that, so that today they fitted perfectly. But if you guys need to go in there, they can do the same, test fit everything and get the wheels sorted for you. But if you cannot make it down there, they do ship all around Australia. They can send you out a clearance check sheet. You can do all the measurements yourself from home, which is a massive help, which I also did before I took it in for them to check it. But yeah, great idea. If you are getting wheels, they're very supportive in getting the right wheels that you need. And yeah, there's some great options down there, but these were the ones that I needed to have. That is going to wrap it up for today. I had a really great day. To see the wheels on the car, it's a great feeling, and I want to get this thing painted and get it ready to start bolting it together and doing all the mechanical work so we can get on the road. But stay tuned. The next video is going to be a big one. We're getting ready for the colour. So we'll catch you guys then. Cheers. The deep dish on is insane. That's a big wheel.